So today we're going to go into the biggest and most important shift that you can make in your tinnitus habituation journey and how acceptance will help you do that and why it is not giving up but going forward. Enjoy. So when people hear the word acceptance, they're often very skeptical, and I totally get why. It's a little bit like, you know, when you have to accept your depression or something like that. It's like, it assumes that you're surrendering. It's assuming like you're tolerating all the fear and despair and dread, or sort of like pretending it's fine, which of course it's not. Like, your feelings are absolutely and 100% valid, and the way you feel is the way you feel. Right? So let me correct this for you. This is not what real acceptance looks like. Real acceptance, especially in the concept of acceptance and commitment therapy, is to learn to make rooms for difficult thoughts and feelings, to not have to escape from them, to not say, I wish they weren't here, but to learn to make space for them so that you can claim back to take control of your life and focus on the things that most matter. Not only on the tinnitus, but how you live your life with tinnitus. Now I want to get into why this is so important, right? It's like almost something that everyone always gets wrong about understanding what acceptance actually means. And it's not the same as resignation, right? And I really need to stress on that. Because, you know, it's not like I'm saying I'm fine with this, or I guess I'll suffer forever. That's not what we mean. I would not expect, I always say to my coaching clients, I would not expect you to feel like this forever. The way you're feeling right now is because your nervous system is constantly reacting to this. That will be over once you're habituated. So I will not want to, you know, tell you that you have to accept that you're feeling like this for the whole time. That's not what I'm saying. Acceptance and commitment therapy teaches us that acceptance means willingly making space for difficult thoughts and emotions and experience without letting them run your life.